Hi everyone, I'm a mom of 3 boys and I'm also a breastfeeding mom. And after my 3rd child, I knew I needed a breast pump that I could do everything I had to get done with my 2 crazy toddlers running around. So I found this awesome wearable breast pump. This breast pump comes with 2. It comes in this really nice carrying case. Both the breast pumps go in there. All your accessories go in the top part. It's nice because it's hard. It's like a hard shell on it, so you don't have to worry about getting smashed or anything like that. They're kept safe in there. The breast pump itself, the display's on the top. All you have to do is slide it open like that. You want to make sure when you are washing it, you don't want to get this part wet. That part needs to stay dry. Has a couple parts here. You unscrew it. This part is where the milk will go. And then you have this little nozzle, this part here, and this part. So super simple, nothing crazy. No one has time for all the parts trying to put everything back together. They just click right back in, just like that. Screw it on here. There is an arrow at the top here, so you know that that part is the part that should be up. And then you just slide that right back on, just like that. And it's really nice too, on the back of here, there's like 2 little layers. So when you do wear it, it has really good suction to it. I don't know if you can see that. It has really good suction to it because there's 2 layers there. And then it comes with a couple other things here. You have 3 different sizes. So whenever you do get it, you can measure, see what size you will be. And then if you need another size, you have a couple different options here. It comes with 2 extenders for your bra straps because it is going to bulk out a little bit. So that way you can extend them if you need to. Comes with a brush cleaner or a cleaner for this. The cord, you just go ahead on the side here. You can go ahead and charge it. And then what's really cool is whenever you are done, take this part off again. So say you have your milk in here when you're done. If you want to put it right in the fridge or save for later, it has a cap for it. Or it has this part here you can screw on. And then if you have a wide baby bottle that you want to use, you can go ahead and screw the nipple right onto there. So it's really awesome for middle night feedings. If you just want to go ahead, you don't want to dirty a bottle, you can just go ahead and pop the top right on there for them. All right, let me go ahead and show you how it works. So here, to turn it on, you would just hold this button down. And then there are 3 different settings. Up here, the M is the mode. So you're going to push for 1 second. It's longer pulls for you. This one is a dual one. So you're going to get 5 quick ones and 5 longer ones. And then you have your other one where it's just longer pulls for you or quick pulls for you. And then on the sides here, you have the different settings, whether you want it goes all the way up to 9. So if you want a little bit lighter and up a little bit stronger. And it's really nice because the numbers are facing up this way towards you. So when you are wearing it, you can see the numbers really easily. And then to turn it off, you just hold down the button again and it turns right off. So let me go ahead and pop these in so you can go ahead and see what they look like. They fit very comfortably. You can go ahead, you can wash dishes, you can take care of your other children, running around. You don't have to worry about being tied to a plug on the side of the wall or anything like that. The screen, very easily, you can just look down, you can turn it on and see the different settings that you need. This breast pump also has an app that you can use that you can go ahead and there is a code in the instructions. You can just scan the code and the app's really awesome because if you want to keep track of how much your baby drank, how much you were pumping, what kind of mood the baby was in, what kind of mood you were in, any kind of details you want to know, just keeping track of what's going on with you, your body, and your baby. It's really awesome that you keep it all in one app on the phone. You can also control the different settings on your phone too. So this is an awesome breast pump so far. I'm really happy about it. If you're looking for hands-free breast pump to make your life a little bit easier, I highly recommend this one. Thanks for watching.